Hello everyone, welcome to Card Pro Max. So basically in this video, in this session, we will cover about the power copy and UDF, user defined function. Sorry, user defined features. Okay, so this thing is available in a knowledge wire template. So you can see here knowledge template. One is your power copy, user features, then save in catalog, and how to insert the uh, user copy or user features or power copy from the document or from the selections. Okay, this thing we will cover in these chapters. So basically why we need user defined power copy or user defined function features in v5. Okay, because we have already created the design tables with different configurations. Okay, that is one of the part. Okay, the second part is if we have the generate design table, then what is the need of this power copy? Okay, in the design table we have some specific value. Okay, we are some predefined value that we will execute in the part, so that the part will change. The design of the part will change according to the predefined value. Okay, but if you have some specific value or if you want to edit this value, then you again you need to go and go to that particular part and change those value. Okay, but in power copy, well, when you instantiate the power copy is nothing but its power copy is nothing but the set of design features which group together in order to reproduce. Okay, and while reproducing this power copy, you can edit or you can give the specific value of the part as for your requirement, so that the part will create in that particular value. Power copy is nothing but a advanced copying tool. While defining it, you can specify the input of the parameter that the user must provide. During the instance, you can customize the design at any part. Power copy tools accessible. Those power copy tool is accessible for in part design, generative set design, generative sheet metal design as well. Okay, so without wasting the time, we will go to the how to create the power copy. Okay, so as I want to do the what is that? I want to do a stiffener with respect to this. See here three. So for that I should go with the stiffener one by one, or should go with the stiffener. So it is very difficult to do this one. Okay, or here I will go with the go to the profile and select one, then from the click on this invalid profile, it is from the top. Okay, like that you may create, and it is also a time taking process. So for that what I need to do is I will go with the simple part similarly to do the stiffener. Okay, here what is there na, just deleting this. Okay, this power copy also I'm deleting. So here what I need to do is you can see the pad is there, cell is there, so this is not our need. Our need is rev curve. This is the curve where this is in this plane, this rev curve is there. Okay, and it is creating the pad up to surface. Okay, then it is creating a draft of 5 degree. So the pad, we must define the pad length. Okay, this pad length, or you can see the pad thickness. You can call as pad thickness. We need to define this thickness. Okay, and in draft we'll define the draft angle. Okay, so for that I will go with the insert knowledge template power copy. I'm just creating one of the power copy. In the power copy itself, here in power copy definition, it will ask you some value like definition, input, parameters, documents, properties. Okay, in the definition you can give your name like rib, rib power copy. Okay, can see rib power copy is reflected here. Hmm. Select the component, then input. What is the input? I want this pad, input which pad and draft angle. You can say while selecting the component, I want to reproduce the pad and the draft. Okay, so for this creation of the pad and the draft, you need a cell face. This cell face, you need a ZX plane, sorry, one plane. Okay, one curve. So then input, come, you may select this one. I will select this cell face. I can write, change the name, rename it cell face, reference plane, a plane needed, and rev edge. Okay, okay, rev curve. Okay, then parameters which you want to publish. So for pad I need the thickness, so I need to this, so I will change this one thickness. Okay, then angle, publish the name as angle. So whenever you will go with instantiate, these two feature will be for draft angle. So you for the input, document is not there, properties, you may select one of the icon for properties. Let I will select this properties or grab from the screen. Okay, this is my icon and preview should be like this. Okay, click OK. Now you can see it is this. Okay, now I have created the power copy. You can see now I want to instantiate this power copy here. Here also I am doing the same thing. So I will go with the insert. Now it is instantiate from the selection. I have already opened this part. I want to select instantiate from that particular selection. So what you need to do is you just go to the instantiate from selection, click on this, go to this power copy, select the power copy value. Okay, automatic it will show you the insert the object. While it will show you the reference, one step or step by step instantiation. You can go with this, or the destination is sketch one. Destination is sketch one. Cell face you need, what are the need? Okay, so cell face is this one, plane is this one, it's already available, rib face is this one. Okay, then you can go with the parameters. So let the thickness is, because we have given publish only thickness and the draft angle. So let this thickness I want 5 and draft angle somewhat 1.5. Preview, sorry, first need to close and preview. Okay, now you can see in this part body the same pad and draft is created, and the pad, if you go with the pad and go to the thickness, the pad thickness is 5 mm and the draft angle it is 1.5 degree. So this is how we can change the dimension of the creating features in Power Copy instantiation. Okay, now the second wave of instantiation is instantiate from the document. So instantiate from the document means you should, if I will go to this instantiate from the document and open, it will show you this is impossible because the thing is opened. Okay, the part is open, so open part. Okay, so I need to save this one. Let I will save in desktop. Okay, now I will go to the instantiation part, go to the insert from the document. Now the document is here, open. Still it is not opening because the file is already open. I will just close this one. Now I have only one part. Just closing all this thing. Now you can see I have only one part. Now I want to instantiate from the document. Insert from the document. Power copy. Okay. Here it is asking to you the destination is draft. Now it is draft. Click OK. It is not work. Why? Because it is not this. So my destination is part body. Inside the should be define one work object. Go to the inside from the document. Select the document of the power copy. Self as is this one. Plane you need to select this plane and the rib. Now again you need to give the parameters value. Let this time it is thickness is 22 and angle it is somewhat 6.5 preview. Okay, now we can see the draft angle it is 6.5 and the pad thickness it is 22. This is how we can instantiate the power copy from the instantiate the power instantiate the part from the power copy. Okay, I'm just clearing. Now the next one is your UDF. So UDF, user defined features, it is similar, it is quite similar to the power copy at a definition stage, but when instantiate you can get only one feature like power copy any other v5 features. Okay, so here you may notice that the power whenever I am instantiating the power copy it is creating that particular features like pad and draft, but in a user defined feature it won't create the different features like in power copy. It will create the features in a part level, in a single part. So again the advantages of a UDF is um, you may after creating the power copy you may change the power copy from the feature level, but in a user defined function you can change the can change the defined function like as a parameters. Okay, so we'll see that one of the example. Same, I will take the same thing, this one, this power copy. Let I will delete. Same. Okay, now this one thing, this UDF I want this part I want to instantiate with the user defined function. Okay, so here I may write UDF user defined function features. The features is okay. I want the parameters. I want the relations, both the relations. I want the part, sorry, part body, cell. Okay, for that I have another part for showing. Power copy, sorry, UDF. Okay, this one. I want to define the UDF here. Okay, now the whole boundary distance is 0. Okay, I need to define the formula first. Okay, I'll go to this formula. UDF. Okay, this one is whole boundary distance. I need to define this one. Go to this whole boundary distance, add formula is this one. Part measurement, or you can go with measure distance body and body distance for this boundary. Geometrical set boundary one. Okay, boundary one. Then the next one is point 1 minus minus body hole diameter by 2. Hole 1 diameter I need to give by 2. Okay, the relation as linked to the non-parameter feature so is not updated tool. Okay, click OK. Now you can see the size is changed. Now what I need to do is go to the insert knowledge user features. Here I will select the parameters relations, remove part, geometrical set. Okay, all this thing I have from the part. I need to remove this whole. Okay, so I'm just going to this input. Sorry, I need to check this one as UDF meta input. Nothing is there. No, what I need to do is go to the insert user copy. First each is removed. Body 1, this boundary. Then UDF. What is there? What you need to did this one is I'm just going to this insert knowledge templates user features remove body 1, then these two parameters, then point extra turn boundary, then this formula also I needed. Some color, okay. Remove all formula extra boundary. Okay, I need for creating this one point and face is needed. Yes, input is coming. In meta input is not required. I want the parameters of all. For creating this, what I need to do is for whole threaded hole, I need this one to be published hole diameter, hole depth, this. Okay, properties. You may take any of the icon. Let this icon grab from the screen. Input is main result should be remove the part. Yes, it's like this template auto mechanical features generate in the input. Okay, okay. Now I need to instantiate this one to in my destination file. Instantiate the same way I will go with the instantiate from the selection. Select that power copy, sorry, user defined feature. Okay, this one face is this. I need a point. Go to the parameters. Diameters I want 22. Click OK. Okay. Now you can see it is, and you can see here it is applied the user defined function, and it is asking to change the diameter like a parameters. It is not creating any extra parameters. Hope you got the concept of this. Thank you for giving the time to explain this user defined features and power copy. So in this session we basically covered the power copy and user defined function parameters. In the previous session we had completed created the power parameters, formula, and design tables. Then in the next session we will cover the catalog. Okay, catalog features, how to create the catalog and how to insert the catalog. Hope you got the concept of this. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.